Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change country on Amazon Prime Video. So let's get started. So here we are in Amazon Prime Video, and the reason for doing this might be because you would want to access movies or series from another country that isn't available to yours. Then if that is the case, then your best bet would be a VPN, because even if you change your country here in the settings on Amazon Prime Video, you wouldn't still be able to access the different movies that is not available on your country, because Amazon Prime Video would still detect that you are still in the current location, and NordVPN changes that. So with this one right here, you can connect to different countries, for example in the United States right here, and your IP or your device's location, which is what is being read by Amazon Prime Video, that is the basis for its judgment whether you are allowed to watch certain movies from another country or what. This NordVPN would solve that. And the reason that I'm choosing NordVPN, it's because this is proven already. Even if you use this on Netflix, it would still work. And the reason that you might fail in using VPN here in Amazon Prime Video, because you are not using NordVPN. If you're just using a free VPN especially, then it is very likely that it would fail. It would be detected by Prime Video that you are using a VPN. So I suggest that you go for premium ones like NordVPN. And now once you have connected to a server here on NordVPN on the country that you desire, all that's left is now to refresh the Prime Video website or app, and then you're now able to watch movies or series from another country in Amazon, and your country will now be changed. As you can see right here, it is now detecting that I'm currently in USA.